Hello guys, welcome to Henry channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove or replace a Dell Latitude 7390 battery. So let's get started guys. Turn the laptop on the other side, undo all these screws. Once that's all removed, you put your finger here and it will lift up the cover. So this is the battery guys. So this connector here, you need to remove it. Now remove this screw here and this screw here. So two screws. So I'm going to lift this up now. The screws have already been taken out. So just put your finger now in here on the edge actually and just remove. At the back you've got the battery cable connector. So you need to pull out this cable and put it in your new battery and tuck the battery cable in just like this. So vice versa guys, very simple. Now I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM. So it just takes one slot of DDR4 memory guys. You just put your finger on each side and pull down and it will slot out. Okay guys. So this is the new memory I'm going to install. You turn it this side, you put it in there and it will clip in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.